Hello, I am Brett from Bittyman Studios, and today I'll briefly go over the owner update, non-owner update, owner fixed update, and non-owner fixed update. So what these means over networking is just a way for you to override these simple networked monobehavior derivative classes that you're making as a way for you to set yourself into like a case where you have your update from Unity in general for Unity-based updates, but then you have your networking-based updates, whether they're the owner of the object or they're not the owner of the object. So if you have like a basic Unity update, update, you want to make sure that any networking logic is only called if it's set up. So if it is not set up, you return, and if it is, then you would do networking stuff here. But these overrides that you can do, override on owner update as well as non-owner update. So I'm just going to type them in really quick here. Alright, so there you have it. You have our owner update, non-owner update, owner fixed update, non-owner fixed update. And these are all handled on the network, so you don't have to worry about doing the if setup check. It's already done for you, and it's only going to call this the owner update and owner fixed update if it is indeed the owner of the object. And the way to determine that is doing if is owner, which you can do up here in your regular update, and do logic based on it. This is how we had to do it in the past, but now that you don't have to do this anymore, you can simply just go to the owner update and do any object update based on whether the fact they're the owner of it or not the owner of it, where you have your non-owner update down here. And then you have your owner fixed update and non-owner fixed update. And these are kind of like Unity-based calls, but they're also just a simple as doing an if is owner on the update itself, and then doing logic based on that. So this is kind of like, or rather, this is pretty much what it looks like on these function calls, is just going inside here. So this would be an update, then you have your fixed update, which would do the same logic as this, and it's just going to call the owner or non-owner based on whether or not it is the owner or not the owner of the object. So you can just hook into these functions that we created ourselves and override it, and just call the base owner update whether or not that there's any functionality that we add moving forward. And that is how you use the owner update and owner fix update. Again, they are pretty much just Unity based calls, but they're only getting called whether you're the owner or not, and if you're set up on the network correctly already. And that is it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below or send us an email and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.